Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to stop your screen from turning off automatically in Windows. This can be useful if you are watching a video, reading something, downloading files, or following a tutorial and your screen keeps going black after a few minutes. So let's fix it. First, open the search bar and type Control Panel. Now click on Control Panel. When it opens, change the view to large icons so all options are easier to find. Now click on Power Options. Here you will see your current power plan. Click on Change Plan Settings next to Balanced. Now look for the option called Turn Off the Display. You will see two settings here. One is on battery and the other is plugged in. Click on the drop-down next to both of them and change the time to Never. You can also choose a longer time like 30 minutes or 1 hour if you do not want the screen to stay on forever. After that, leave the Put the computer to sleep option however you want. This way, only the screen stays on and your laptop can still sleep later if needed. Now click Save Changes. That's it. Your screen will no longer turn off automatically in Windows. Keep in mind that leaving your screen on all the time can use more battery, especially if you are using a laptop without charging. So this is how you can stop your screen from turning off in Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.